This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation error code CE-30005-8. And this is usually related to just your application when it's not starting or something like that. So what we want to do is go to our game disk, if we do have a game disk, and just make sure this is cleaned properly with a microfiber cleaning cloth, just like this. Something that came with your glasses or something like that, or something you use to wash your dishes or dry them. Something that's very soft and won't scratch your disk. So there could be an error with your disk reader reading this, and that's why it cannot start and it's giving you this error. Now another thing that we can do is go up to the top here, and we want to go to settings. And maybe we're having some corrupted data in our game. So we want to go to storage, calculate the system storage, and go down to save data. Find the game that you're having an issue with. Here's Battlefield. And then go to it. And if there's any kind of corrupted data showing on here, we can press options and we can delete it off our PlayStation. And then we can go on over to the settings menu again, go to application, save data management. And if we have PlayStation Plus, we can download the saved data from our online storage back to our PlayStation 4 so we don't lose any progress. All right. So after we do that, now hold down the PlayStation button, go to power, and go to turn off PS4. And we're going to launch this into the safe mode menu, where we're going to rebuild the database on our PlayStation 4, which usually fixes this issue if the other options did not. So here's my PS4. It's blinking. Wait for it to stop blinking and then hold down the power button. Just make sure your PlayStation 4 controller is connected with a USB cable so you can actually operate the safe mode menu. So this is done now. Hold down the power button. You're going to hear one beep initially, and then about 10 seconds later, you're going to hear another beep. Then let go. And then you can press the PlayStation button on the controller, and you should be able to operate the safe mode menu now. So let's go back up the top, and here's my PlayStation 4 screen. Let's press the PlayStation button on the controller and go down to option number 5, Rebuild Database. Now it says it's going to take a few hours on this screen. However, in my experience, it may only take a few seconds. So if you do have a solid state drive in your PlayStation 4, this is going to go a lot quicker than your traditional hard drive. So if you're ever looking to upgrade your PS4, get a SSD that's 2.5 inch. You can get about 1 terabyte for about $50. And this will improve your loading times in Minecraft from about 4 minutes to launch the game to about 1 minute and 20 seconds. So a massive improvement. And then you can see this screen right here. It's rebuilding the database and getting rid of the corrupted data on your PlayStation 4, which will allow you to start your application again in the future. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.